Hi guys, Rob here from Holidays in the Hummer. I'm here today to introduce you to my latest purchase, which is a portable power washer. I spied this in a local shop in the car section. When I was out shopping, I thought to myself, this would be a great product to purchase for taking away in the caravan. I'm an awful lad for always cleaning the caravan. I'm sure most of us are, keeping our vans nice and clean. And I thought this would make things a wee bit easier. Normally I take away a bucket, a sponge, a watering can, 3 items that are quite bulky, and when we've got limited storage in our vans, I thought this would be ideal. It's in one box, very lightweight as well, so basically for weight allowances and stuff like that, I think it would be ideal. It's not going to be heavy, it's not taking up a lot of room, so I thought ideal. It says in the box here that we don't require any electricity, we don't require any hose pipe. It saves you money, saves you water, so that can't be bad. All you're really doing with it is you're putting water into it. You use a hand pump to pump up the pressure, and then it allows you to create the power washer effect when you're cleaning. There's a brush inside it as well for agitating any more sort of awkward dirt that doesn't want to be removed. So what I'm going to do basically just now is I'm going to open the box, let you see what comes in the box, all the kit. Going to basically then demonstrate using the product very quickly, very basically, not a full wash, and give you an idea of what the product could maybe do for you as well. I'm hoping it'll be a really good idea. If you like it and it helps you, that'll be fantastic. So I hope you enjoy the demonstration here, and if it's something you might want to purchase yourself, all good. Okay, so I'm going to go now and open the box up and let you have a wee look. Okay guys, what I'm going to do now is show you the contents of the box, everything that comes with the power washer. We open the end here. First of all, we'll pull out the lance, which attaches to the end of the hose, and secondly the brush head, some lovely soft bristles, and next we have the bottle water container, very lightweight, a decent length of hose on the end here, and end piece for the lance, and some product info here last of all, which we'll have a look at after. Okay, let's have a look at the brush head first of all. Okay, let's look at that, and very lightweight, nice soft bristles, nice brush head there, which should be ideal for cleaning without any damage to the product that you're cleaning. End piece here for the lance. You slide the lance into the end here, a little rubber washer on the end there which seals it, so when you tighten the end or the nut in a clockwise direction, it seals the lance to the end piece. If we attach our end to the hose, again slide the end of the lance into the hole. There's a rubber washer here which seals it, so when you tighten the nut up, there's no any water leaks. Very easy, straightforward, very simple to do. Clockwise direction here, just hand tight's sufficient, and that's the lance for helping to clean your van or car. Anti-clockwise to remove it, very straightforward. Attaching the brush now, again you thread the end of the brush into the end of the hose. Clockwise direction here, very straightforward, very easy to turn. Hand tight again, very simple, allows you to use your brush. So you're moving between the brush and the lance very simply, very easy to move one to the other, not taking up a lot of time. Okay, the container itself holds 8 litres of fluid, whether you mix that between water and soap, whatever suits. We have a strap here which allows you to put it over your shoulder, keeping both hands free for cleaning the lance. On the end here we have the pump which allows you to push up and down to create pressure within the container, so when you release it on the other side it comes out in a nice pressure. An anti-clockwise turn here allows you to remove the pump to put in your water, which we'll show you in a few seconds. Again, back in a clockwise direction here, tightens the pump and it locks itself in place. Okay, pressure release valve here, so when you finish using your product, few turns that allows all the pressure to release for when you're not using the product. And that's about it. Product information here, recommend that you always have a read of that. What you saying, Robbie?
Yes.
With you in a few seconds. Always read the product information. Okay, that's lovely. Perfect. Okay guys, what I'm going to do now is put some water inside the container. I'll take the pump off here by rotating the locking nut anti-clockwise. Slide the pump out, and you can see down into the bottle there. I've got some water here in a jug. This is just an example of what to do to fill the water in. Pouring it in the top here, very straightforward. There's no soap there. It's just plain water. Just for an example today, just to very quickly let you see. And we'll put a second amount of water in here just with the jug, just a couple of litres thereabouts into the container. Once we've done that, we'll just pop the pump back into the hole. It'll slide down in, and then we would lock it with the locking nut at the top, which seals the pump in place. Very straightforward, very simple. And that would allow you then to use the pump to pump up and down to build up the pressure within the container. Okay. Okay guys, that's me outside now. I'm going to give you a very quick demonstration of the power washer working. I'm not actually cleaning the van, but it's just to show you very basically how it works. We have the lance on the end here first. I've already applied pressure to the container, pumping it up 4 or 5 times. You'll see it, we get a nice even spray out the end of the lance here. The lance allows you to clean the van from a distance, covering a larger area. Okay, and you get a decent pressure, and I've not pumped it up lots to get lots of pressure there. It's just a very quick demonstration. In a second or two I'll put on the brush head to show you that working. Okay, that's the brush head on now, and you'll see it when I apply the button press to release the pressure, the water comes through the head of the brush. It allows you to clean more stubborn areas of dirt where you need to get in close and give it a good clean. Very lightweight, the brush is easy to use, and it should remove most dirt, I would say. Okay, we can use this product to clean your caravan on holiday, your car, your cycles after, your bikes after being away down through the fields. I suppose you could even easily use it on your pets if they're dirty, give them a spray down. Very straightforward. The idea of me for this product is there's no electricity, no extension cables, no hoses. It's very straightforward, uses minimal water, easy to use. I think an ideal product, which I'm going to test on our next holiday. Okay, very straightforward. Here we have the release valve to release the pressure once you've finished using your power wash, and so you can empty the water out of it. Very straightforward. Hi guys, okay, that's the portable power washer. Our latest, well, my latest purchase anyway, another one. It's very difficult to go to the shops without buying something, and it's hopefully going to make things easier when we're away on holiday with the caravan, for washing the van, the car, as I mentioned in the video earlier, any little things that need cleaned. We'll see how it goes. If it's any good, we'll continue to use it. It's lightweight, easy to use, as it says on the notes here. No electric needed, no hose pipes needed. So basically it's going to save water, save money, make things easy for us keeping the vehicles clean. Then by all means it sounds like a good bit of kit, hopefully. If you have any questions, anything you'd like to ask about it, if you were considering something like that and you want to know a wee bit about it before you purchase, then by all means give us a wee message, leave us a wee note. If you liked the video and you feel it was helpful or it was interested you at all, you maybe give us a wee thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel and you'd like to join us on our journey, then please subscribe and come along with us. Next video I'll probably put up will be from our Easter holiday trip, which is going to be about just over 2 weeks. So I'll try this out and use it on holiday and see how it goes, and hopefully we'll see you about then. So If you all look after yourself, and we'll see you next time round. Thanks for watching again. Okay, bye-bye.